Story number 6. As people affected by the Palisades Fire begin to rebuild, they've hit a roadblock. Residents of the Pacific Palisades Bowl mobile estates, they're in limbo because debris removal hasn't even started, and the park owners aren't giving them any answers. Drone video shows the breathtaking views of the Pacific Palisades Bowl, a mobile home community right across from Will Rogers Beach. That tragic day in January, everything changed.
It's on fire from outside, bro. We're lit up all around us. We got to get out of here.
The fire made its way to PCH. Neighbors worked together to try and stop the fire. But as we all know, the fire was too powerful. All 170 homes gone. This is the aftermath.
This was our deck. We built this really cool deck.
That's John Brown. His wife and 2 kids have called the Palisades Bowl home for over a decade.
This was our pool. Oh my God, they're just like,
He brought me here to show me what's left, or lack thereof.
I don't want any of this. I don't want any of it, we don't want memories of it.
And 2 months later, it still looks the same. John says despite urgent pleas from residents, Phase 1 cleanup from the EPA remains incomplete, leaving toxic waste and hazardous material on the property. John says the EPA was denied access to the property. There's even a security guard manning the entrance 24/7, and only residents who sign a waiver can get in.
The EPA is telling us that they've been denied access to come in here and remove the toxic and hazardous material that was a governor executive order that doesn't require permission.
John blames the owners and management. He says they have been unresponsive and uncooperative. I looked up the Palisades Bowl on the Southern California Wildfire Response website, and it shows the area was deferred to Phase 2. That means physical hazards exist on the property that prevent U.S. EPA teams from safely accessing the property to remove the household hazardous materials. But when you check the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers website, the group responsible for the cleanup, it says EPA Phase 1 status, permission denied. Why do you think the owner is restricting the EPA from coming here and cleaning up?
He has notoriously, since he bought this park 15 years ago, he's tried to convert it to either a resort, to single-family residences, to do something.
Another fear from John and his neighbors, but he says he's been working with local and state leaders to make sure that doesn't happen. Right now, they just want answers. When will the EPA start cleanup? And why won't the owners communicate with them?
We are completely, essentially silenced and incapacitated to do anything to try to return home. We can only hope that the owner might return a phone call.
So for now, it is the waiting game. And every time John or any of his neighbors visit what was once their thriving community, they're reminded of what happened on that fateful day.
It's not lost on me that if all we have are these memories, I'm very grateful.
More than 2 months later, all John can do is reminisce and think about the good times and hope that answers come soon so this community can rebuild.
We all want to come back home, and we just don't know.
Absolutely.
Whether we'll be able to do that.
And I reached out to the property owners via email. I'm still waiting to hear back. But Amy, as you hear right there, you can see just how awful and heartbreaking it is for these people.
And also, nothing's been cleared.
Nothing's been cleared, but also the environmental concerns. I mean, you have the fact that all the hazardous materials that are there, we have rain in the forecast, they're right across from the beach. Where does the runoff water go?
Yeah.
Into the ocean, into the water. So hopefully these owners at least can communicate with these people and let them know, here's the plan, so they can have an idea and have a sense of everything's okay. But right now, not the case.
They're just in limbo.
In limbo. So
Great story,
we'll keep
Chris.
following this story for sure.